I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas Edison. The day everything burned. Real event, December 1914, New Jersey, USA. That night of December 1914 in New Jersey, Thomas Edison's entire factory was in flames. Years of hard work, experiments worth millions of dollars, everything was turning into ashes. His son Charles saw the flames from a distance and his heart sank. He ran to find his father, and what he saw stayed with him for the rest of his life. A 67-year-old Edison was standing near the fire. There was no fear on his face, no tears. He was watching the flames as if he were looking at a beautiful natural scene. He said to his son, "Go, get your mother. She'll never see a fire like this again in her life." Charles was shocked. His father's life's work was burning, and he was fascinated. The fire is burning all our mistakes. Thank God we can start anew. The fire died down. The night passed. Morning came. Where the factory once stood, there was now only ashes and smoke. All the workers stood there, heartbroken. Some had tears in their eyes, wondering what would happen next. And then he arrived, Thomas Edison, fresh, energetic, as if nothing had happened. He gathered everyone and said, "There is value even in disaster. All our mistakes are gone. Now we will start again with a clean slate." Within the next 3 weeks, a new factory was built, and the following year, it made more profit than before. This is not fiction. This is the story of a man who failed more than 10,000 times while inventing the light bulb. When a journalist asked, "How did you keep going after failing 10,000 times?" Edison smiled and said, "I never failed. I just found 10,000 ways that don't work." Every failure taught me something new. Failure only happens when you stop trying. What was Edison's real strength? What schools don't teach. As a child, Edison's teacher said, "This boy is too slow. Teaching him is a waste." He was removed from school. His mother taught him at home. That same slow child went on to hold 1,093 patents. The light bulb, phonograph, motion picture camera, all his creations. His strength was not his intelligence. His strength was discipline, persistence, and the belief that I will not stop until the work is done. Friends, Thomas Edison was not made from a different kind of soil. He felt sadness. He was rejected. His factory burned down too. But there's one thing he never did. He never accepted defeat. If today your factory is burning, a dream, a relationship, a business, then look at that fire the way Edison did. Say, "These are my mistakes burning. Tomorrow, I will start again." Discipline is not visible when everything is going well. It shows when everything is burning. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it the most today.